Understanding WinDirStat, visualizing disk usage on Windows. WinDirStat is a powerful, free, and open source disk usage analyzer and cleanup tool for Windows. Whether you're running out of space on your hard drive or simply want to manage your files more efficiently, WinDirStat provides a clear and intuitive way to visualize your disk space usage. What is WinDirStat? WinDirStat, short for Windows Directory Statistics, is a utility that scans your storage drives and provides a detailed visual representation of how your disk space is being utilized. It categorizes files and folders based on their size and file types, helping users quickly identify space-hogging files. Key features. 1. Tree map visualization. WinDirStat uses a tree map to represent files and folders as colored rectangles. Larger rectangles represent larger files, giving you an instant overview of your storage. 2. File extension breakdown. The tool categorizes files by extension, showing you which file types are taking up the most space. 3. Interactive interface. Click on any rectangle in the tree map to highlight its corresponding file or folder in the directory structure. 4. Cleanup tools. Delete or manage files directly from the interface to free up space quickly. 1. Download and install. Download WinDirStat from its official website, /windirstat.net, and install it on your Windows PC. 2. Scan your drives. Launch the program, select the drives you want to analyze, and click OK. 3. Review the results. The directory list displays folders sorted by size. The tree map shows files visually, with colors representing different file types. The file extension list provides insights into file type distribution. 4. Take action. Use the cleanup tools to delete unwanted files or move them to another drive for better organization. Why use WinDirStat? Efficient space management. Quickly find and address storage issues. User-friendly interface. The visual representation is intuitive and easy to navigate. Customizable views. Tailor the display to your preferences. Free and open source. Available at no cost for both personal and professional use. Final thoughts. WinDirStat is an indispensable tool for anyone looking to manage their disk space effectively.